A lot has happened since the last devlog, and we have a lot of new features that I am quite excited about, so let's get started. I have started by sketching in the iPad a structure of how I want it to be, and we'll be having a map on the left corner. On the middle we'll have the building details or the creature details, depends on what you're actually interacting with. And then on the right corner we have the constructions and character management. And then at the very top we are having on the left the settings, on the middle I'm having resources, and on the right I'm having the achievements, and I think I'm adding something else, but I'm not telling you about that just yet. So based on this structure I have gone to Illustrator and I am doing the design for the whole thing. Now I'm not 100% sure if this is the final style, but I think I like it. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if there is any specific part that you think can be improved, you can let me know in the comments as well. But at least having all this, I can now start implementing the whole thing on Unity, which I started exporting everything as a PNG until I realized that Unity supports SVG, which is much better because they are lighter and they have an amazing quality since they are just vectors. And since I'm using Illustrator, most of the designs you're seeing are vectorized. I think I'm having some problems that I don't know how to figure out. Fuck. But anyway, moving on. For the minimap, I'm using a camera from above the map and I'm putting it into a render texture. And for the zoom, I'm just changing the orthographic size with a very simple script. I'm using the same technique for the character camera, and this works. I'm moving the camera to the location of the character when you click on it. The only thing is that right now when the character moves, the camera stays in place. So a solution I found for this is to move the camera inside the actual character, so inside the same game object, and that works very good. Look at them running, aren't they so cute? Creating this scroll bar was a whole experience that I don't recommend to anyone, and it's working now, kind of, because it's the other way around, but that will have to do. I was considering adding a functionality where the user can move the elements around and leave them wherever they want, but I don't know if this will be very useful or not. What do you think? Should I do it? Should I not? Should I? Should I not? Help. If you want to be part of the development of Aquis, remember to join the Discord server, because I'll be asking feedback for this kind of things there. This green selection box doesn't fit with the style anymore, so I have changed it for something a bit more simple, just a white square with rounded corners, which I think it looks very good. I have also changed the way the camera works. Before it will just move up and down when you try to zoom, now it does actually zooming, and now we also have rotation. Something else I've been working on the last few days is making the character chain roll when they get sent to a building. For example, if I send the character to the lumberjack cabin, it will become a lumberjack. So it will start automatically cutting wood and things like that. It will also get a backpack and a little axe. It took me forever to implement this, but I think it's pretty cool the way it works, and yeah, I think it's amazing. Another new feature is that when you click on the character name on the list, it will take you to its location, so you can find it very easy. The only thing I'm doing really is just move the camera to the character location, so it's not much to explain about it. So this is how the final thing looks. I'm very happy with it. I'm not sure still about the whole design of it, but at least I have everything working on Unity, so changing the style will be very easy if I change my mind. So we have settings on the corner, we have the mute on the very top as well, which I don't know if I'm keeping, all the resources on the top, and the achievements. Then on the bottom we have the map, the details about the character or building that you are looking at, a list of characters, and to the right a list of buildings and all the characters, which by the way, when you click on, for example, all the collectors, it will select all the collectors, which I think is a pretty cool feature. And yeah, that's it. So that's pretty much it. I'm very happy with the amount of new things that we have this devlog. On the next one, I think I'll be working on enemies and maybe on more buildings. I'm not sure. I'm gonna improvise as always. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how everything is going. Let me know in the comments if you have any feedback. Also, remember to subscribe. And yeah, hope to see you in the next one. Join the Discord. My social media is underneath. Follow me if you want to. I don't mind. See you in the next one. Bye.